Good day and welcome to your daily AI news update for Friday, 7th November 2025. So today we're diving into groundbreaking partnerships shaping AI's sustainable future, innovative applications transforming urban infrastructure, and crucial insights into the responsible development of autonomous AI systems. Kicking things off, a landmark agreement has been forged between the United States and the United Arab Emirates. Now, as detailed in US and UAE forged Lamarr.AI Energy Partnership, this bilateral pact aims to integrate AI with energy systems, focusing on AI-driven grid optimization and renewable energy management. Well, this strategic move addresses the escalating computational demands of large language models while striving to reduce carbon footprints. The partnership, finalized during the APEC Economic Leaders meeting, will co-fund research hubs exploring quantum-inspired algorithms for real-time energy distribution. And this comes as Asia-Pacific nations also adopt their first leader-level AI initiative, with Deloitte's Nitin Mittal predicting APAC will outpace Europe and the US in AI innovation by the decade's end, driven by deep talent pools and open-source investments. Basically, this underscores a critical global shift. AI's future competitiveness is increasingly tied to sustainable infrastructure, especially as data centers' energy consumption is projected to triple with generative AI. Right, moving from global policy to practical innovation, an MIT spin-out, Lamarr.AI is revolutionizing building diagnostics. So, as reported in MIT spin-out, Lamarr.AI revolutionizes building diagnostics with drone-based AI, their drone-based thermal imaging systems provide rapid MRI scans of buildings. This technology precisely identifies energy leaks, insulation gaps, and structural vulnerabilities. A project in Detroit showcased its power, scanning 3 public buildings in under 72 hours, detecting over 460 critical issues, and projecting 22% HVAC energy savings. And by leveraging Edge AI and fusing various data types, Lamarr.AI is democratizing access to high-value building science expertise, making advanced diagnostics affordable and scalable, and directly addressing the fact that buildings account for 40% of global energy consumption. Right, moving from global policy to practical innovation, and as enterprises increasingly deploy autonomous AI agents, Red Hat has offered crucial guidance on their responsible implementation. So in Red Hat Expert Clarifies Complexity of Agentic AI Systems, Scott McCarty distinguishes between complex and complicated systems. He argues that agentic AI's true challenge lies in its emergent behaviors within dynamic environments, requiring modular architectures, safe exploration, and human oversight. Actually, Red Hat's work with InstructLab, evolving it into open-source composable building blocks, highlights the need for customization and embedded governance guardrails, such as real-time bias detection. This discussion, reflects a maturing industry understanding that scaling agentic AI demands a rethink of both technology and organizational culture, especially concerning accountability and liability as generative AI transitions from chatbot to autonomous actors. So, from AICI's perspective, these developments, highlight a crucial intersection of innovation, sustainability, and responsible governance. Well, while the US-UAE partnership sets a valuable precedent for energy-conscious AI, its true impact hinges on inclusive knowledge transfer to emerging economies. We must embed capacity-building clauses to ensure climate-resilient AI becomes a universal standard, not just an elite pursuit. Similarly, Lamarr.AI's drone technology is impressive, but its widespread impact, mind you, requires adapting it for Global South contexts, co-designing solutions with local communities to address diverse challenges. And regarding agentic AI, Red Hat's insights are vital, yet technical distinctions alone won't resolve the human challenges. So we urgently need cross-industry protocols for agent-human collaboration, shifting the priority from autonomous capability to graceful interdependence, where AI agents know precisely when to summon human wisdom. So today's news, paints a vivid picture of AI's evolving landscape, a future where technological advancement is inextricably linked with environmental stewardship and ethical design. From international collaborations to cutting-edge diagnostics and the foundational principles of autonomous systems, the drive towards smarter, more sustainable, and more responsible AI is clear. Honestly, we're witnessing a pivotal moment where innovation is being tempered with foresight. Right, that's all for today's AI news. Join us tomorrow for more fascinating insights into the world of artificial intelligence. Until then, stay curious. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.